Larenta, finally.
It's so big, it could never come to Lamalera.
The last time Joseph came here, it was to attend Holy Week, which brought together no less than 15,000 pilgrims from all over Indonesia. This Catholic event, held since the 17th century, celebrates both the Portuguese heritage and the Queen of the Rosary, the city's patron saint.
Try to open it. It's used.
Yes, used.
Is it any good?
Yes, it's okay. So you agree on 5 million rupiah?
Can we bargain?
Yes, we can. How much?
A little more than 2 million.
Oh, no, I can't. Let's go for 4,500,000.
Okay.
4,500,000. 5 million minus 500,000. That makes 4,500,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
A pioneer lives in Lamalera. Stephanus was one of the first to equip his boat with a powerful motor. That was 9 years ago. With the help from his brother, who lives in Jakarta, he was able to acquire a piece of the modern world and at the same time revolutionize fishing.
In past years, there weren't many motors, just 1 or 2. Now there are too many motors. People are happy because they don't have to paddle anymore. Hardly anyone uses paddles now, except when there's a whale and they go to sea on the tenas. Before, we didn't have any expenses, any costs. But now, with all these motors, we have a lot. Before, everything depended on the wind and on our energy, and it didn't cost anything. Now we have to have a motor, and it's expensive to keep up.
While waiting for the whales, I have to go out to sea, using the motor to find fish, dolphin, manta ray. Any fish I find, I have to catch, so that I can feed my family.
Fishing with a motor, with a tena or an outrigger, is not the same thing. The tena is the best. As for myself, I like it when we have to use the paddles. I don't like motors. Right now, I'm making a small boat to go out for small fish, either using a line or a net. This is what I do. I learned to do this with my parents. When I left school, my father taught me how to work. When I have to go find food, I know what to do.
My father wants to follow the traditions of our ancestors. Myself, I like to follow my father, but I have to have a motor to earn more money. This way, my father earns some money, and my wife and children too. Everyone is happy.
It's true that young people don't want to paddle anymore. They really want to use motors. If I ask them to come out to sea using paddles, they don't want to follow me. There are really big changes going on right now. They like motors, but I don't like them.
Ya, saya senang sekali. Ada mesin. Bagus. Ay.
Equipped with a motor, the Vana can glide through the water at full speed, following a pod of dolphins. The hunting technique is the same, but Joseph has to be an acrobat, standing alone on the bow of the boat. The dolphins are smart, and especially very fast. Nothing. Today, for their first outing at sea, the Vana and her crew will come home empty-handed.
The police? They're looking for people from Lamalera who are blast fishing. They're investigating over there. That means the bombs might stop. That means the fish will come back. The dolphins, the manta rays.
Joseph won't give up. He wants to catch a dolphin, no matter what. In a flash, the harpooner has spotted his prey. And it's not a dolphin that's been captured, but a mola mola, an ocean sunfish, an exceptional catch. The mola mola lives in deep water and comes to the surface to feed on jellyfish. It's one of the heaviest fish in the world. It can weigh over 1 ton. This time, Joseph is confident and flings himself into a school of tuna, which are too busy hunting to sense the danger. A tuna was harpooned, but it escaped. The battle is far from over. Harpooned again, the tuna still hasn't been reeled in. Risking everything, Joseph orders one of his crew to jump into the water.
The people who have motors are the ones who divide up the catch of fish. On the tena, the way of distributing the fish is still traditional. It's the type of sharing we inherited from our ancestors, and it's a fair system. The new economic model does not allow for sharing with everyone.
We catch a lot with a motor, but it's not the same if we catch a whale. Then everyone in Lamalera, but also people living in the hills, can have a share.